Oh no! It seems like that you committed Angry Birds. Piracy is serious crime according to copyright law. For more information, go to Angry Birds have committed piracy. For your own safety, it is clear that they turn off emoji. You have 5 chances. Oh, you didn't turn off yours. Now you lost a chance. You have now 4 chances left. Please turn off your edit, or you will lose another chance. Seriously, you didn't listen to us again. Come on, alright. 3 chances. If you ignore us 3 more times, then something bad is gonna happen. Turn it on, please. Are you kidding? You didn't listen to us? Again, you're making us mad. Anyone like us when we get mad? 2 more chances. Turn off your envy. Okay, you're really starting to get on last nerves. I swear this is your last chance. If you don't turn off your tip in next 5 seconds, then you're not gonna like what happens next. That's it, you asked for this.